It starts with all I know. So
hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you've probably seen in Rex's sort of series that he's been doing the past 2-3 months, you would have noticed I got my own shitbox MR2. So this is actually the cheapest one in the country. So it set me back a total of that much right there. I'll put it on the screen. So shout out to Michael as well for giving the shell. So the shell's going to be a big part of rebuilding shitbox yellow nugget.
to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. It starts with all I know. So
Alrighty, welcome back to day 2 of the Frankenstein MR2 sort of body modifications. Yesterday was pretty successful. We managed to get the rear bumper on the car, so now it looks a whole lot better than what it used to have before. We attempted to do the right fender, but ran into a bit of an issue. One of these bottom bolts here I was screwing in and I snapped the head off. So first part of today is going to be drilling out that snapped head, and then we're going to attempt to remove the door and put the black door on.
even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
So we've gone ahead and taken the yellow door off, which, as you can see, we took it off because, as you can see, there's some pretty serious damage here. And we're grabbing the door off the black shell. Good thing about this door, it's only a minor dent down here, which I reckon Rex and I can fix pretty easily.
No, we can't.
Easy!
Impossible. Guarantee. We will not fix it.
So a lot of the guts inside are actually here, which is good. We just need the motor and a few other bits and pieces from the yellow door, and we'll just snip the harness.
Tell me, come on and trust me. Come on and hold me like you do. 'Cause you've been heartbroken, you're scared to be open. Yeah, I can tell by how you move. Oh, 'cause you can't love like there's a limit to your heart, and you can't live like there's a boundary to your soul. Baby, let me in because I know just what to do. Care for you, care for you, care for. I'll be careful.
Alrighty guys, welcome back to day 3 of this Frankenstein MR2 build. So yesterday we attempted to get the door on. We aligned it all properly in the hinge, which was the easy part, but we seem to have not aligned the glass properly. So when it comes up, there's a pretty major gap in the corner there. So today's job is going to be fixing that and getting the fender on, and hopefully we'll be all done. So just a quick tip if you're ever taking this door apart. If your window doesn't actually line up properly, you'll want to adjust this little bracket here, which we've just recently found out. You like push the screw through a bit and then tighten this bracket. That sort of adjusts this window back and forth. So it gets rid of this little ugly space here, thanks to Rex's ingenuity.
Mechanic, apprentice.
Baby, let me in because I know just what to do. Care for you, care for you, care for. I'll be careful with you.
Another thing I've also gone ahead and done is bought some epoxy from good old Repco down the road and tried to fix my door card, because it seems to be a very common issue that Rex is talking about, where the leather on the underside of where your arm rests, it cracks along here, which you can see quite well. So I've gone ahead and just laid like a big amount of epoxy there, and hopefully it hardens it up and protects my elbow from just like yeeting through the bottom side of it. So while that's curing, which will take roughly about an hour, I'll try and get this fender on by myself, because Rex is off there by himself, screwing around with his Camry airbox. Don't think he's having too much fun. Okay, let's give this fender a go. I'm not too sure how it actually goes on. I believe it's just a few bolts along the side, a few on the top, maybe a couple in there. We'll figure it out.
I'll be careful with you.
So we've now put on all the body panels, I think. We haven't put the door card in yet because I have to go, but we're going to let that cure over the weekend. Hopefully all of this gets a bit harder so I don't elbow straight through it. I'll quickly show you the car now and show you the progress that we've made the past few days. Don't worry guys, still got the BMW. Still a faithful daily. Much better than the Skittle MR2 over here. So this weekend we got the black rear bumper, OEM rear bumper done. Put the red, or rather pink fender on, and this black door. Next week we'll be hopefully fitting on my replica Greddy side skirts. There are a few things in there that we need to sort of bundle up, like whatever this little pipe is, I don't know what it is. So that needs to be fixed. I need to get this trim off the old yellow door, which is probably double-sided taped. So that's going to be a real challenge to pick off. But otherwise guys, this car's coming along quite well. Plan for the future is to get it resprayed. We'll take a look at the V6 engine next week, hopefully. Have a look at the cams, as Rex has told me that that's a good way to tell the condition of the engine. Hopefully it's good and we'll get this build fully started. Thanks for watching. Look forward to episode 2.